Welcome back to my YouTube studio build. Please hold. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube studio build. Right now, I've done a couple of things that I did videos on. One where I bought an Apple Studio and this big 49-inch monitor, and I did a video where I had to figure out which cable would actually make it work. And then I did another video where I actually put my Apple Studio under my desk and mounted it. So those two videos are out there, but now we're moving to the next video, which is I'm installing like 4 or 5 things. But I have questions for you where I need your help, so I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. This is my current office setup. As you can see, this photo right here reflects every bit of light that there is. So I'm gonna have to replace it. We love it, but I gotta figure out what to put on this wall, because even though this has anti-glare glass, you can see it doesn't work very well. Over here, I gotta figure out something for that wall, but that's not what we're talking about today. My 3 dogs and I are gonna be installing the Elgato Stream Deck, a Beac'n Microphone, an Elgato boom arm, and some more LED lighting, and a green screen, which I used for the thumbnail for this video. But before I can do any of this, I have to do one thing first, and that's coffee. Is this a sponsored video where I'm going to be talking about a product? I'm not. I like coffee. My girlfriend just got these new mugs. I kind of dig it. So yeah, hang on. I'll be with you in just a moment. Hang on. I've been making so many changes to this office that if you've done this before, you know, it can feel a little bit overwhelming, right? So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go with the easy win, and we're going to hang the green screen first, because that'll be the easiest of all the tasks that I have to do today. So let's kick in some time-lapse footage. Now that I got it up, I'm going to stick some anchors in these walls now that I have it level, but I'm not going to, that's going to be boring, so let's move on. Next, we're going to install the Beac'n boom mic and the Elgato mic arm. And the reason I chose the Elgato mic arm as opposed to other ones is I like the fact that it looks like it has cable management built inside of it, and I did like the height and length because I plan it coming around the monitor. So let's see if I'm actually right. I hope I am. And I got the Beac'n mic because like everybody raves about it, and that thing was hard to get, man. I tried to get it twice. It would pop up and it'd say it was available, and then I'd go buy it, and then it was like sold out by then. So I was able to get it on the on this round, and here it is. So let's put it together. Yeah, let's do it. Ooh. Now, because this desk is so close to the wall, there's no way I can fit this behind it. Oh no, I just got stuck. So what I'm gonna have to do is, like I did with the TV mount, is I'm gonna have to take this piece off, slide it in there, reconnect it, and then tighten it back up.
Boom. So now I have the Beac'n mic set up with the Elgato arm, and here's one thing that I learned about. So you're listening to the audio right now coming through this Beac'n mic. The issue is I went to download the app so I could get the most out of this mic right now, but I run a Mac, and right now Beac'n doesn't have a Mac software support for this Beac'n mic. So any audio that I get from this mic, I'm going to have to go ahead and fix in post-production, as opposed to getting the best out of it while it's being made. So keep that in mind.
With the video today, since I need to put all these LED lighting around and all that, I'm just going to connect this and run the wire so that I know where this is going to go. And then I'm going to lay the LED stuff. But I'm pretty sure this is going to be a video all in itself. And there is a lot to, isn't there like a lot to learn when you're setting all this stuff up on like how it's going to work? Because that's what I feel like. And Could be a little bit overwhelming, but one step at a time. Let's get this set up. I'm not gonna lie, it is super sketch with all these cables underneath here. So yeah, we got to do some serious cable management once I get everything hooked up, because you know I got more with adding the LED lighting. Right now, I'm adding an additional USB hub because I have run out of all of the ports on this Mac Studio. Which, okay, all right, we have that set up and in place. Now for these bad boys. As you guys can see, I did not end up putting the LED lighting around the desk. You know, I have a different plan for that. I'm just going to get a couple and put them behind the monitor. That should be good enough, and all that part will be done. Plus, I like it behind the couch. I think it's pretty cool. Remember, I need your help. What do I put to replace the very shiny picture back there? And I need some help on what to put above the computer monitor. So thanks for staying with me on this journey. I have some more stuff coming in, so there'll be more YouTube studio building going on. And until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.